Welcome, today I am with JBL Live Free Noise Cancelling Plus earbuds and I will show you how you can open Sound Equalizer. So at first we have to be connected with our JBL headphones application. We have to open them and then open the charging case. Now just wait until we'll be connected, then select your earbuds. As you can see, we are successfully connected. So what we have to do right now, just click at the bottom for the EQ, then tap on the switcher in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, the equalizer is activated, so we can pick 3 default modes. You can also edit them by tapping here, and you can also add your own mode. So tap on the plus, then you can set it up like you want. You can just simply customize, and when you finish you can rename right here. Click on the marker and as you can see it appears in this place. When you click and hold it, oh never mind, I thought that you can just replace the position, but you can only delete the mode, just like that. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.